What is up, YouTube? Woo! Mr. King coming at you live from the classroom today. All right. What is up, YouTube? Woo! Mr. King coming at you live. All right, today we're going to talk about what is the best way to cook food. Okay? Please write down the title, Heat Transfer Notes. And on the left, I like you to put words. On the right, pictures. So there are three main ways that heat moves: conduction, convection, and radiation. We're going to be talking about cooking a lot. The first one I want you to know is conduction. The star means that you need to write it down. Conduction is heat transfer by two things touching. Okay? So this is an example of conduction. The stove is hot, and then the hot stove touches the patties, and then it transfers the heat by touch. So that is conduction. That is the simplest one. Just like SpongeBob and Patrick here, they're getting their hands hot from conduction. Okay? That is conduction. It was when two things touch and the heat is transferred through touch. So that's conduction. Next one. This one is convection. This one is usually the most confusing. You may have heard of convection like a convection oven. So convection is heat transfer through the movement of fluids. And fluids technically counts as liquid or gas. So like cooking hot water, that's convection. Or like an air heater or space heater that blows hot or cold air, that is also convection. So it's the flow of liquids or gas, and that is convection. So please draw a picture, maybe of like a steam burn or a space heater blowing hot air. Last one is radiation. Radiation is heat transfer through waves. So a common example is the sun. The sun heats up the earth through radiation, through ultraviolet radiation, and then also like a fireplace from far away. If you're not touching the fire, then it's going to be radiation that's heating you up. I also have some practice questions for you. Please think about it. What does a microwave use to heat your food? Which one would be a microwave? Try and think about it while it loads. Pause video if you need more time to think. Hopefully you said radiation, because microwaves cook your food using waves in radiation. What does a pan use? A pan that's touching the flame in the eggs, that would be conduction, since the pan is touching the flame. What about an air fryer? What does an air fryer use? Convection, since the fryer moves around hot air. Which one makes you get tan? Pause the video and try and think about it. If you thought radiation, you'd be right. Tanning beds heat you up from light waves, ultraviolet light. Some people in Arizona, they put food out to cook in a car because it's so hot there. What do you think cooks the guy's food? That one's also radiation from the sun. How about a hairdryer? Which one is that one? What do you think cooks your hair? Would it be conduction, convection, or radiation? That is the last one. Hopefully you said convection, because it heats up your hair through hot air. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope you